Hi, work from home family. Welcome back to another remote job lead. Yes, a lot of you said you're outside Nigeria, you're outside Africa, and you're looking for something to do. And you're telling me that I need to share more remote jobs that hire worldwide. I listened, and this is it. I have three remote jobs hiring worldwide, all right, from three different companies. This one was posted 3 hours ago as at the time of recording this video, which is the 5th of June 2026. So go ahead now and send in your application to this company. The company is called Persona Talent. Okay, they're like a recruitment agency. Meanwhile, before we start, please give this video a massive thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment with your location and share the video with anyone who is looking for a remote job they can do from home. Some of the roles we're looking at today are entry-level positions, which means you don't really need, 5 years of experience to apply for these ones. So this one is virtual assistant position by Persona. Persona is where the world's best companies and the world's best talent. They are bridging the gap between employers and remote workers. They place exceptional people from over 98 countries into full-time, long-term remote roles with the most ambitious companies on earth, like Fortune 500 enterprises. This company was founded in 2018. But for the role, they're hiring a virtual assistant to help their client run and grow their businesses. The virtual assistant role is flexible and varied, often blending business support with light personal executive support across multiple work streams. Ideal for early career candidates who are tech fluent, adaptable, and ready to grow with a single client over time. So this looks like a full-time position. All right. As for key responsibilities, you draft, send, and triage business emails and routine communications, take video conferences, capture and distribute notes and action details, interface with clients, vendors, and external partners professionally, manage calendars, and schedule meetings across time zones. Conduct online research and assemble findings into clean spreadsheets. Prepare basic reports, decks, and analysis. Handle creative work as needed. Light writing, formatting, simple media coordination. Provide light personal and executive support, such as errands, coordination, travel, research, reminders. Take on miscellaneous administrative tasks and special projects. Required qualifications: fully fluent in English, skilled in modern productivity apps and quick to learn new tools, strong written communication and detail orientation, ability to commit long-term and full-term, ability to work US business hours, PT, CT, or ET time zones. No prior work experience is required, but any relevant experience is an advantage, we say. You don't really need any experience for this one, all right? But you just need to make sure that you can stay awake and work during US business hours. Preferred qualifications: associate or bachelor's degree in any field, prior virtual assistant or remote support experience, comfortable with both business and light personal support tasks. Tools and technologies: Google Workspace, Microsoft Office, Calendly, Notion, Asana, Slack, Zoom, Loom, basic CRM exposure, HubSpot, Salesforce. Core competencies: track record of success at work or in schools, solves problems with minimal guidance, anticipates teammates' needs, hard worker with perseverance, curious and resourceful, professional. What they offer: best salaries in the industry, work from anywhere permanently, opportunities for growth and advancement, a fast-paced and collaborative environment, a warm people-first company culture, get paid in your currency of choice, full benefits. So as for those of you who are always worried about PayPal and all those other payment platforms, you can be able to get paid in any currency of your choice. This is a full-time, long-term role dedicated exclusively to one of their clients. All roles at Persona 100% work from home. So feel free to visit Persona, that particular company, and see if they have other roles there. All right. See that the job was posted 3 hours ago today, as you're watching this video today, and it will expire on July 5th, or if the position is occupied. and you work anywhere in the world. That is what matters. The most amazing thing, you work anywhere in the world. I found this job on We Work Remotely. I pay subscription for this platform. So I'll leave the link in the description. Just click on apply now. It will prompt you to sign up on this platform. Then you sign up as a free member and then apply if you want to apply for this one. The second one is this one, Head of Customer Success, posted 2 days ago. On the Go Systems is a remote team of tech enthusiasts, innovators, creatives, and engineers. Together, they build products that allow businesses of all sizes to go global. So I'm just going to run through this. They are excited to hear from people who enjoy building, improving, and making a real impact, and they look forward to learning more about you. I don't want this video to be too long. I'm just going to read through it. The job, you own retention, not coordinate it, own it. That means churn rates, renewal rates, and net revenue retention are yours. You set the target, you build the plan, you ship the work, you report the results. You report to the CEO directly, no layers, no fancy slides, only results. Who you are, you want to be doing the work, not just managing it. Your best weeks are the ones where you wrote the strategy, ran the analysis, drafted the comms, and shipped. Experiment yourself. AI tools are part of your daily working stack. You use them to do more, not to escape doing. If you have been promoted away from doing the work and you miss it, this is the job. If your most recent experience is enterprise CSM with a dedicated book of accounts, this is not the role. What they offer, a real metric to move, the authority to move it. I don't know what they're writing here, but yeah, the job is remote Head of Customer Success worldwide, alright, from 3 different companies. Interested, this one was posted as well. And the last one is this one, Native Language Editors. This is AE Virtual Class, a member of Academia European Business Group, a leader in language teaching with 55 years of experience and the largest teaching staff in Americas. They are currently recruiting qualified native professionals in the following languages: English, German, French, Italian, Mandarin, Japanese, Portuguese. Candidate profile: you must be native speaker of the respective language, proven experience in writing, proofreading, editing, and book manuscripts correction, strong linguistic competencies, and outstanding command of grammar and orthography, high retention to retail and editorial accuracy, ability to work independently and deliver daily progress. Your work modality is 100% remote position, flexible schedule, self-managed by you, mandatory daily progress submissions according to agreed planning. Qualified candidates are invited to submit their resume via email. If you're interested, just click on this apply button. It takes you to the applications page. It was posted 10 days ago, but it will expire on June 25th, and you can work from anywhere. Guys, henceforth, I'm going to be bringing you jobs that are hiring worldwide, not the ones hiring only Africans, because I noticed that I have amazing people outside Africa and they're also looking for remote jobs. So I'll be mixing it up like that. And that brings us to the end of this video. I'll leave the 3 links in the description, whichever one you feel you want to go for. This first one is virtual assistant position, posted 3 hours ago. It's still very fresh. Go and send an application now. Let me know what you think in the comments, and please okay, just like the video so that YouTube can push it out to more people who are looking for remote jobs. And subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you so much to my OGs from Learn With D channel. I see you guys and I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one.